Yeah, she looks focused. She looks about the business. And I know her coach would have told her that the conditions on Saturday won't be ideal for record chasing. The opportunity is now.
The bulk of the running should come from lanes 5 through to 7. Alex Henry, Shanoya Douglas, the favorite, and Abrina Wright. A tough competitor from Hobo Technical, more a 400-meter specialist. Her strength should come for the set position now. Off they go. Shanoya Douglas was away well. Alex Henry is there. Abrina Wright from Hobo Technical is going fast off the top bend. No surprise here. It's Shanoya Douglas who takes them off the curb and into the stretch. She's comfortably in command. The battle is on for the other automatic qualifying spot. Look at Shanoya Douglas. She goes into cruise control mode now. Alex Henry takes second and Abrina Wright back in third. Minimum fuss there for Shanoya Douglas. 24 seconds flat. The winning time into a negative 2.2 meter per second wind. Alex Henry second at 24.22. And we wait for third. But no doubt about the winner there. Abrina Wright gets third, 24.49 seconds.
Yeah, great start from Henry, but now Douglas responds and goes around the turn, gets by the 400-meter specialist Wright with consummate ease and comes into the home stretch. I think at this point, she feels the headwind and realizes the record is out of reach, shuts off the gas with 50 meters to go. Chevy and Shim making an honest run on the outside. Very close between her and Wright, and Henry finishing second. But Shanoya Douglas cruising in the home stretch. Nice, elegant flowing running, effortless, easy. Douglas takes semi-final number 1, 24 seconds.
So the only 2 semis, it means the third place finisher. Abrina Wright is into the final. It's a top 3 from the 2 semis and the next 2 best times. And there is your top 3 for Saturday's final. Shanoya Douglas stays on course for the sprint double, 24 seconds flat. Alex Henry, just like it was in the 100 final, the order of finish here, 24.22 for Henry, and Abrina Wright from Homewood Technical, 24.49, books her ticket for the final.